Hi everyone, welcome back. And as I told you before, like we have done almost halfway of the hair, and 90% is almost done. This is I'm just going to show you the finishing and how the hair look like. And after this, I'm just going to hot water them, and let's see how the look will be. Let's go back to job. As you can see, her hair is so thin, and she's trying to make her hair to be thick and to have a lot of volume. And according to her, he have a very big hair, and her volume also is not that much, and she need a volume on her hair. I'm just going to show you the 4 remedies to use to make the hair thick and to give the hair volume. I'm advising her she can do that to make her hair thick and to give a volume to her hair. First of all, let's check the cause of the hair loss. Loss of the hair. Most of the loss of the hair is caused by the stress. But before we go to cause to check the loss of the hair, let's see. Like almost big number of the people are having problem of losing their hair. You find yourself you're losing a lot of your hair is breaking up, and you don't know the reason that is happening to you. Right, thinning of the hair could be a big problem that can be solved as soon as possible. Let's go like for her, this is something she can trick. This is something she can do. And you see her hair. This is something she can treat herself at home. There's no need to use an expensive cream to your hair, like you're using a lot of money to spend for treating your hair for nothing. There's no need for that. So what I would just advise her, she can use for home remedy that can help her hair to be so bulky, to be strong, and to grow very fast. As she have a long hair, she has a beautiful hair, but she need to do something about her hair. And let's check the cause of the hair loss or the cause of hair thinning. The cause, one of the main thing can cause to hair thinning is, and the hair loss is allergy. Some diseases you might be sick, and sickness nobody can control. If you're sick, you're sick, and but you can still control on that. You can, like, even if you're sick, you can use some home remedy to prevent you from losing your hair. This remedy, like the second thing is stress. If you have stress, you have to avoid stress, because the moment you have stress, you will lose your hair a lot, and secondly, you will create the thinning of your hair, and you'll find by the end you don't have hair. You have a very less hair, and when you're taking shower, you are losing a lot of hair. The third thing is pollution of the air. Like when you have, like, you're using the poor water, like what some water is too salty, and you're using it to your hair, it might cause the hair breakage, because if you use salt water, definitely it will cut your hair completely. So to avoid salt water, like you can just, some things you can just protect. Buy water 5 liters, and you can use it to rinse your water. Even if you use with the salt water, you can use that water to rinse. You can rinse with the mineral water your hair, and it will be so strong, and it will be thick, and also it will prevent from breaking up. The other thing that I'm just going to tell you that can be the cause of the hair breakage is poor diet. If you're eating poor food, like you don't eat vegetables, you don't eat enough food, you eat like you don't watch your food, whatever you're eating definitely will cause the breakage of your hair. And for you to avoid that, just try to eat vegetables, eat fruits as much as possible, do enough exercise, at least 5 days per week, and you'll see a lot of improvement to your hair. It will also protect your hair, like it will help your hair to grow very fast and very strong, because the moment you're doing exercise, the blood is circulating in a very high rate, and that flowing of the blood will go to your scalp, and it will help in the hair growth. Then another thing that can cause the breakage of the hair, the loss of your hair, is lack of enough, like let's say, for example, you don't have enough time to sleep, you are like sleeping less hours. Of course, it might cause a lot of problem to your body, and you find yourself, your body is so weak, you don't have time for yourself as well, and can lead to breakage of your hair. And I'm just going to show you the 4 things that can help you from having those problems. Let's start with the first one, egg. As you know, egg contain a lot of protein, and our hair needs a lot of protein. So, and the best treatment for the hair is protein. So take your egg. If you don't have a lot of hair, you can use like at least 2. If you don't have a lot, you can use 1 egg. But if you have a lot of hair like mine, definitely you need to use 2 eggs. Apply egg on your head. You can mix egg with maybe coconut oil or the oil you are using for your hair, and leave your hair for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse your hair with warm water, and then shampoo your hair, condition your hair, and style your hair according to the way you want. The second thing that can be, like, you can use to protect your hair breakage or losing your hair, you can use olive oil. Take olive oil, mix with honey, apply to your head before you sleep, and you can rinse the following day in the morning. Or otherwise, you can fry your olive oil, say 30 to 45 minutes, and then rinse with warm water, shampoo your hair, and treat your things. Like, treat your hair like, and style your hair to the way you want. You can try to do these things at least twice per week or once per week. And the third thing that can help you from your hair breakage is avocado. Avocado is something that contains a lot of oil. Avocado contains a lot of moisturizer that can help you to make your hair strong and prevent your hair from breakage. Take avocado, ripe avocado, mix with ripe banana, smash it, and apply to your hair. Leave them for like 30 to 45 minutes to help them to absorb, to help the scalp to absorb the nutrients. And these ones will help you completely for making your hair big, preventing your hair from falling, and it will also fasten your hair growth. Avocado is nice. Also, you can sleep with it, it depends with you, but at least it will melt your bed sheet. So it's good you rinse it before you sleep. So just take your avocado with your banana, put your head, wait for 45 to 30 minutes, and you will see the benefit to it. The fourth thing is castor oil. If you use castor oil, one, castor oil, it helps in the hair growth. Secondly, it will prevent your scalp. Like most people, they have problem with the scalp, itching scalp, and some they have like irritating scalp. So you can use castor oil, massage it on your head, sleep with it, and leave the following day in the morning. Shampoo your hair with the warm water, and condition your hair, and you'll see the benefit. You can try to do this maybe twice or twice or 2 times per week. At least make it a routine to treat your hair. No need to spend a lot of money in the salon. No, I need to make my hair is flaking too much. And you have something you can do in your home. Those are not expensive things. They're the things you can get easily. So just make sure you try them. As I'm telling my friends here, she can try them as well, and she will see the outcome. I'm about to finish her hair. It's almost done. Like 4 braiding remaining, and we'll see how she look like. I hope she will like the braid, because this is her first time to do that, so I hope she will like them. And let's see how long she's gonna stay with them and how she feels. She's going to tell us how she's feeling now. Yeah, baby, is up to you. How do you feel?
I feel my head become big right now, but I like it.
Yeah, she likes it.
Wow.
So it's something different, and it's a change as well. And just to do something else, or something, she gonna change her look a little bit. Yeah.
Look like a baby right now, like pretty baby, cute baby. I love the hair, like a doll.
Mm.
Thank you, Jay.
You're more than welcome. Let's see how you're gonna look like, and I'm almost done.
Yes.
You're gonna put them to the water to help them from not running. I'm using this braid. That's it for me. The other way. I'm using this braid. It's African braid. I brought them from my home country. Yes, I like darling. This side. This one, darling. I'm using that braid, so I don't need to cut it. It's already ready to use, and it's easy to make, and I don't have to spend a lot of time making it, or a lot of time trimming or doing something, because it's already prepared. So I just take it, put some cream on it, and then it will be straight. Yeah. Actually, she's not from Africa. she's from she's from Asia. She's from Indonesia, and let's see how she's gonna look.
I will change become African.
Yeah.
I will look like more gorgeous. Oh.
Must be so tired.
Yeah, this is tough.
So she just came from work.
Hours.
We have been at work, and 2 hours to make this one. So she needs full head. So we don't have a choice, but if you want to be beautiful, you have to sacrifice your time.
Yes, you're right.
This is the easy way to put put braiding. For those who love to make braids, it's so easy, and it's nice because most of the time, if you're doing the job will require you to go to the swimming pool, and the water is not that good. You can do braiding, and for me, at least I don't like braiding my hair most of the time, so I prefer to leave it natural. And just let it show you. She's a bit tall, so I'm just trying to lift my legs up. It's already night here. After I finish, you have to go to sleep. Two remaining.
Two remaining.
For those who have not subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments there. I appreciate for the feedback. Like my page, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For the newcomers, you're welcome. Karibuni sana. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so happy for those who have subscribed to my channel so far. I'm so thankful, and may God bless you. Look at the other side. I have one more minute. I make her very nicely, like at least she can wash her hair. She can put, it will be easy for her to put some creams on the, like on the scalp, to avoid like dandruff, and to avoid like if she feel like sometimes the hair is so itching, and it will be easy for her to maintain them. So I try to make them as easy as possible, not to give her hard job, because she never do it, so she's feeling like she needs a lot of care for herself, because she admires to have them, so she needs to take care of her hair as well.
This is last one?
Yeah. This is for final.
Wow.
Final look. You can see the hair's finished.
Wow.
She loves them.
Look at me. Wow, this is amazing. This is so beautiful. This is my look, guys, right now. Oh.
Yeah, that's how she looks.
Asian African girl.
That's how she looks. She loves it. Look at this.
Wow. Woo.
Yeah. Wow, she loves it. So you're gonna put them to the hot water to make them smooth and straight, and for her easy to, for them not running. So she loves it. That's
Wow.
how she looks. That's her final look.
Whew.
And hope she will be able to maintain it, and yeah, hope to see her tomorrow and how she'll be looking. Bye. It was a pleasure to have you here with me. Baby, thank you so much.
Thank you. I love the hair. From now on, I'm going to be Asian African girl. Thank you, Jane.
Welcome. Bye.